So Reactiv is really great with the video walls to show off lots of complex content and data in a network operations center. For example, here I'm actually using this small touchscreen to bring up various types of dashboards. I can arrange them on the screen. I can interact and point things out. This is my little workstation such that it mirrors everything. And I can take this content and throw it up onto a secondary monitor so I can dynamically pick what I want. So what I'm going to do here is show you how it looks like on an LED wall. I will arrange 4 pieces of content. And now I can bring in the 5th and the 6th. I'm going to arrange that. So you could easily take a wall of this size and arrange multiple pieces of content. So I'm going to do 9 now. 2, 3 more. I'm going to collapse that menu. So we have that fitting in right there. So in an ideal network operations center, you have the ability to take any specific content that you want to focus on and throw it up with a much higher pixel ratio so everybody in the room can see it, and ink and markup and highlight.